Hello everyone, in this video we will look at the features of Lucid's Collibra SQL Server Analysis Services or SSAS integration template. Lucid Collibra SSAS integration template loads SSAS tabular model metadata into Collibra. In this video, we will look at how the SSAS tabular model metadata is organized in Collibra, and how the lineage is presented across dependent SSAS elements. Following are the assets and relations that get loaded from SSAS tabular model into Collibra. SSAS database, model, tables, columns, and measures. The hierarchies and levels on the SSAS tables and the relationship between the tables. SSAS data sources and their relation to the physical layer assets such as the database server, databases, and the data elements such as tables, views, and columns. The physical layer assets, however, are not loaded by the SSAS template. It must be loaded separately via the Collibra catalog or via Lucid's database templates. If the SSAS table uses a SQL query as a source or the physical database connection details are not available as part of the data sources, the source assets are loaded as SSAS source view and view columns. The red line represents the column-level lineage from the SSAS column to the database column in the physical layer. In cases where the physical connection details are not available, the column links to the corresponding view columns that are part of a SSAS source view. Let us now see a sample tabular model in the SSAS environment that we can load into Collibra using the template. The template provides options to filter the asset extraction and load based on SSAS server name, SSAS database, model name, and model type. For this demo, let us look at a SSAS tabular model named AdventureWorks Internet Sales Model deployed in a SSAS database named AdventureWorks Internet Sales. The model uses two data sources, namely AdventureWorks 2008 and AdventureWorks DW. The data sources map to the physical databases from there the structure and data is loaded. The model contains several tables which are linked through table relationships. Each of tables contain columns and optionally hierarchies and measures. Now let us switch to Collibra to see how the metadata is organized as assets when loaded using the template. A community based on user input is created. The assets are then organized under subcommunities named based on the SSAS servers. Below these subcommunities, there are domains of type SSAS assets for each of the models. Placeholders for the physical assets, referred to by the SSAS models, are loaded under subcommunities named based on the database servers. As mentioned before, this is done only if the connection details to the physical assets are available. Also, these are just placeholders and the actual physical asset metadata need to be loaded using Collibra catalog or Lucid database templates. The systems and databases domain holds the server and database assets. Let us now view the domain under the SSAS server subcommunity to see how the SSAS assets are organized for the AdventureWorks Internet Sales model. The hierarchy view of assets shows how the model holds the tables and they in turn hold the columns. Let us view the model asset in detail. It has reference to the SSAS database it is part of, the tables it holds, the data sources it uses, and the table relationships. Each of the asset holds the last sync date indicating when the asset was last synchronized with the SSAS server. Last modified date indicating when the asset was last modified in DGC, and last modified in source indicating when it was last modified in source, i.e. SSAS server. The SSAS data source references the physical database servers it uses and the model it supports. Looking at one of the SSAS table assets, fact Internet Sales. The definition attribute holds the SQL that is used to fetch data from the underlying data sources. The hidden attribute indicates if the table is hidden. Then it references the columns and SSAS measures it contains. And finally, the table relationships it is part of. Drilling down into one of the columns, it shows the technical data type, nullability, if it is a primary key, hidden or unique, and the DAX expression that is used for calculation of the column. The other columns and measures it uses are also listed in addition to the placeholder for the physical database column asset. Looking at the diagram view, it shows the complete lineage from the SSAS column across its dependencies right to the physical column it is sourced from. The DAX expression of the column is parsed to show its dependencies with other columns and measures. Hope this video helped you get a good view of Lucid Collibra SSAS templates features. For any further details, email us at collibrainfo@lucidtechsoul.com. To test drive the template with a trial subscription, visit www.lucidtechsoul.com/downloads. Thank you.